Hello and welcome to another edition of Marketing Waves on this Wednesday, the 21st of July. So the main talking point yesterday was the British pound after it pretty much collapsed across the board and more importantly against its major rivals. It became under pressure after the big freedom date revelation on the 19th of this month, which was Monday, and it's already under pressure as we see infection rates and hospitalizations increase under the new Delta variant. And there's increasing fears that the UK may have to go into some kind of lockdown by September again, and at least the government will have to talk about or consider reining back some of the country's newfound freedom. So sentiment did weigh quite heavy on the British pound in yesterday's trading. But it was pretty much expected after a lot of the health officials did warn this would probably happen if thousands of people did start congregating in mass gatherings, such as we've seen on the news recently. But on our Elliott Wave analysis, we are still looking like we are completing this multi-structural 5-wave minute move to the downside to complete C of 4. We were initially looking at it being a running flat, but now it looks like it's expanded after the ABC here the C leg has come further, expanded further than the A leg, but it looks on course that like it has, it's dipped out of this descending channel now, and now we are looking at a multi-structural move to complete minor wave 5 to the upside. So this is what I'll be looking at in the next few trading days. So it has, even though we have a bit of a collapsation on the British pound, we are still looking on course for our valuation there, and just looking for further signals. Nothing too much on the RSI, because when we get such a sharp move to the downside, the RSI and MACDs usually follow the same route. You could say that on the RSI it does appear to be moving a little bit higher, so we could see more of a divergence there in the next few trading sessions if we still progressively keep pushing higher on momentum. However, at the moment it doesn't look like the case. And dollar yen, just to look quickly, so we're just seeing now we finished this leading diagonal here, and now we're just moving down into wave 4 to complete this ABC leg as well. So at the moment, just looking to see if it's going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the downside, and then move up into complete wave 5, and that will be of minor wave 3 as well. So that's what we are looking at as expected, and it could be that the wave 4 did end here, like I said previously, but it looks like we are looking at a nice move to the downside still, and then to the upside again. It's just taking a little bit longer. We're moving a little bit more of a sideways pattern at the moment, so we'll see if that comes into fruition as well in the next few trading days. And just to take a look at the signals, well, there's not too much in a divergence. Let's say there's a slight one here that could turn into a bearish one. I'll just highlight that for you on the screen here. So we're just moving upwards a little bit. Obviously those prices are moving down here, not so much on the RSI. So we'll see again the next few trading days if this comes into a more clearer signal, if we get more of a push up, and then this will start moving prices lower to complete this final leg C, and then, as I say, move up to wave 5 of primary wave 3. So just something to keep an eye on, and obviously the news headlines as well, which are making the markets react quite significantly. So that's all from the marketing waves today. Once again, if you have any comments or any of your own suggestions, always please feel free to add them to the post, and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. So have a great trading day ahead, and bye for now.